This is a custom cutting board made as a wedding gift for some special friends. They happen to be a Mongolian family. Mongolians have a very deep connection to the land and their heritage. Horse riding is a big part of their culture. For this design, I decided on some mountain peaks, a horse silhouette, and the family name. It's easy to overdo graphics on something like this. Excessive graphics can diminish the piece overall, so sometimes minimalism is the best approach. Finding the right balance in the design is very important. This particular design was left completely up to me. I definitely took my time with it and approached it a few different times. I guess I had to sleep on it before I started cutting the wood. Custom designs are always fun to pull off. The special meaning or symbolism behind a graphic or an image, it always means much more to the customer to see their family name immortalized on a beautiful piece. I really enjoyed handing this one over to the new owners, and I hope they enjoy this being in their family for a long time to come. Although I didn't have much luck convincing this family to use it, they said it was going up on the wall. But I'm looking forward to the next project that I get to deliver.